Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Montecristo No. 5. And this is a box of 25, which I purchased in Gesto Cigars in Switzerland. Now, if you turn over the box, you'll see that this box is quite old. This box is from August 2016. So at the time of filming this video, it's got around 9 years of age on it, which is quite nice. Let's open this up and show you the cigars. And as you can see, since this is a bit of aged, the paper has got a bit of color on it. And there you have them. These cigars are 4-inch by 40 ring gauge, which is a Viterbo that's called Tres Petit Corona. Let's take one out. And there you have them, beautiful. These are box pressed, and these are full to medium strength cigars. And these are delicious little snacks, full of flavor. And since these are aged, this specific box, these are such incredible cigars. And I can't wait to try them out. Yep. These, I believe, come in box of 25, and they also come in cardboard boxes of 5. I packed one for a recent trip and it was absolutely delicious, so I really can't wait to try this one out. But for now, this will go back in the humidor until this will be opened and enjoyed. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.